Oh, wait, it's not helping. Birds are never going to try the new bird seed at this rate. Look at them, just looking like, you think I'm a fool? This is their behavior. I just feel like the birds know better. They're like, well, what are they going to do? There's that scream. Maybe. At the risk of sounding redundant, I don't think this is going to work like this. Only a couple have come. Oh, the squirrel. Oh, she's looking to follow him. You shouldn't have to have your head back like that. Yeah, I bet you want those peanuts, squirrel. Has fruits and nuts in it, the new bird seed. Where is he? Running around. We don't know where he is, but he wants some, but no. It just looks too much like a setup. And I get it. This does. It really does. You guys are the biggest joy. See, at least she knows to lower herself. That's some good hunting. And she's small. But y'all, you're big. You're just sitting there big, proud. That's good. I try to be like that too.